It's a good way to see if the girl can, if she knows waves, something like that, okay? And then whenever you feel the beat coming, the 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first part is right hand, okay? From like this, turn and go into her neck. She needs to go like this, not like this, okay? Like this. The other hand just goes up. So 1 and turn. Watch my hand. Okay? It's not different positions. It's like this. And from here, sorry, we go 3 tap. And then I turn. 5, 6, 7. I turn her. 1, 2. I arm shotgun. I throw it. 5, 6, 7. She needs to see. Don't go like here, okay? Ask for the other hand and go. 1, caress. And you go heaven. Bam. Touch. Don't worry, we'll film it that way also. And go into the waves. 1 to 50 euros. 100 euros. And we exit. 1, 2. Look at our feet, okay? It's there. And as Elena said, it's not like this. It's 5, 6, and we get up. Okay, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. From this part, faster, okay? You got the